Welcome to the 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup, powered by Coal India, organized by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by the government of Assam and Bodoland territorial region. We are coming to the conclusive end of the group stages as Group E sees BSF and Bodoland FC fight for 3 crucial points. And underway with proceedings, kick-off at Kokrajhar. It is Bodoland FC against BSF Football Club. Bodoland in red will be attacking from right to left of your screen in the first half. And here comes Bodoland in attack. Acho squares it to the right. The captain with a cross in. There are 2 approaching players. This might be the fastest goal of this edition of the Durand. And Bodoland have the lead. The fans can celebrate already. Mitinga Dumari, he knows his job, but what a delightful cross that, just swirling into his path. And all he needed to do is get that perfect touch in to make it 1-0, and he has done that. And the early damage always dangerous, and we were mentioning how they need more goals to qualify even with 6 points. Oh, that is a great run in the box. This might be a chance again. Not a great touch, and laid off again. Saved from the line. How did they not convert that chance? Bodoland will question themselves.
Absolutely brilliant over here. Yes, Hutchins will just tap that in. But again, gets a chance to play that off. Look at that. The entire goal is at his mercy. But this layoff just hits it on to the defender.
BSF, look at that pace up front. They need more options here. Goes for the shot from a bit far away, but it was teasing the keeper. It was troubling the keeper. Thankfully, again off target, Kishori with the shot.
Watch from BSF. They have the ability to get the ball. The first time he went over there, the defender was there. He tried to take that shot. Troubled the goalkeeper, not on target, but that's something that will threaten this Bodoland team. Was sitting pretty with 1-0.
BSF looking to go on the counter. Kishori has the pace. Oh, it's a giveaway almost. This can be BSF's moment. Is this the first goal of their tournament, of their campaign? And it is. BSF are back in it. And such a gift awarded by Bodoland. Their fans won't be happy at all.
Nice move on the right. Nobody really feeling that growing in confidence. Look at the way they are moving. Beautiful.
दोस्तों, क्या आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल में काम करते समय फॉर्मूला भूल जाते हैं? क्या आपको वो फॉर्मूला याद रखना बहुत
sheer perseverance, pace, and not giving up. It is Kishori who gets BSF's first goal of Durand Cup 2024 after conceding 10 goals. Clever. And the pass back falling to a teammate. And is that a penalty? Being too physical at times was BSF, and this time it was inside the box. And this was coming, and good body shielding from Zakari and Benta. A penalty for Bodoland.
Look at that. Over, go down, but just must with that ball, and look at that strength that brings it. Getting inside the box, the defender really pulls it down. Taking very close to that action, giving his penalty.
Bodoland's chance to get back the lead. Chuangla from the spot makes the goalkeeper go one side and finds the back of the net. 2-1, they're back on the lead. This game has more goals left in this. Perfectly done. Look at that penalty again. It just deceives the keeper. Just that eye contact, just the movement of the foot. And a wonderful clinical penalty from Chuangla Pramma. And Mamocha can make their fans happier. They're trying this idea time and again. Pilser floating in. The keeper has got a touch, but it wasn't enough. It was not enough. And the substitute, Narzari, has increased the lead for Bodoland. And now they can get up to their feet. Now they can take a stand and enjoy their moment. 3-1 in favor of Bodoland.
Short lead does the trick, and the radiation was absolutely brilliant. Look at the corner, really teasing her. The goalkeeper comes out, just does not know what to do. There is no decision there from the goalkeeper. perfect header over there. Though it was blinded, nevertheless hit the target.
And that is not great body language from Joe, but what a giveaway. The defense has totally opened up. Lakhvinder can increase BSF's goal tally. It's off the post. And another attempt. He shoots off target, lost his balance, tried to be too precise, and Lakhvinder has missed one of the easiest chances for BSF to get back in this match.
Look at that. The pass was beautiful. The support was there. And then Lakhvinder, look at him. Only the goalkeeper to beat. He feints the goalkeeper, tries to put on the far end. The goal is empty. Gets stuck on the ball. Drops strips on it. What a chance for him.
He made the goalkeeper fall to the wrong side. His initial idea was correct, but off the upright.
It's great football over here and all. Interest of the people.
Oh, the flag has stayed down, it seems. And BSF out of nowhere, fooling the defense of Bodoland, has got another to their name. Talk about goal difference. BSF are not letting them go away easy. It is Kishori again, the hard-working man of front for BSF.
The defenders have gone to sleep. Nobody really attacking the ball, and all of a sudden there are 2-3 black shirts up front there, and Kishori makes his mark, gets onto the ball. The first touch is good, his balance is kept well, and he slots it home. Fantastic there, and that's worth a try. A great dominance there from the first half, and also in the second half. Slowly they've allowed BSF to really control this game on the counters. And every time.
Oh, a shot from distance! What a screamer! Chuangla Brahma. We have talked about this Durand having seen special goals, but this man has yet another.
Simply a scorching goal. Nobody expected that. What a beautiful pass that was, and look at that. There are 3-4 shirts around him on the turn. Great left footer. Look at that. His balance, his turning, his perfectness, his vision, absolutely brilliant.
His second of the night, and the best goal of this game comes from the left foot of Chuangla Brahma. Such a lovely finish. And a foul there from Lakhvinder. This battle is getting heated up. Oh, that is not something you would fancy. There has been no cards in this game so far, but this might be the first for Pilsen.
But that was unnecessary over there. Already the referee is there, given a foul. You've got to throw in. Why do you do that? And that's a flash to red card over there. Ungentlemanly conduct over there, not tolerated by this referee. We were talking about him. Lalit Singh Rawat removes his red card for the first time in this tournament.
Oh well, so unnecessary. When your team is leading by 4-2, he could have just run down the clock a bit, maybe stayed down as well, but he went charging. Have a look at it again. It was Lakhvinder. Look at that push from behind. It was intentional, and he has done it time and again, but this is not something you can do on the football pitch. Looking for the option, BSF, the substitutes combining. This is not over, Henry. This is not over here at the Sai Stadium. BSF have taken advantage of that one man extra, and they have pulled another back. 4-3. This is a goal fest of 7 goals right now, and it is the substitute Muhammad Asif Khan from the right who gets the goal in.
Brilliant piece of work over there. 3v3 up inside, and look at the passing. So beautiful over there. And the layoff was nice. He's seen that nobody there up front. It keeps his cool. Look at his balance, body in front. Takes that shot, hits the goalkeeper. Just couldn't keep that pace in it. Beautiful goal there. Right under the arm of the goalkeeper.
And now they might go on the break here. Bodoland, can they kill this game? They have options, they have numbers with them. They have the support, and from the right flank, a cross in, cut back. Off the post, is it? Or it is off a defender. But find a teammate, and the referee has seen enough. It is full time. Shivran Nazari from the bench, all 4 scoring for Bodoland, and the 3 goals for BSF, twice scored by Kishori and 1 by Muhammad Asif Khan.
Thank you.